I want to do a quick review of the Elgato Stream Deck MK.2. So a real hand demonstration of how I use this thing every single day. A couple cool features to lead with up front is that it is PC compatible, but also Mac compatible. So I'm actually using this one on my Mac. You can have several different profiles set up. A profile, for lack of a better description, is just like a page. You could have it set up for Twitch, for streaming, for your Zoom controls, for every day, for any activity that you're going to use a lot of shortcuts for. That's great for that. I'm currently running 2 or 3. Obviously, you could be adding to that all the time. This is my general page layout. And the other really cool thing, it does come with an app that you can use on your computer to where you can customize all of the icons. I like to do mine with photos that remind me, or like an emoji that reminds me of what it is, so that I don't actually have to look at the Stream Deck while I'm filming. So I do a lot on podcasting and Zoom meetings and YouTube videos, things of that nature. And so I want to be able to almost glance out of the corner of my eye. And so I absolutely love that feature. So I'll talk about a few of my buttons. This one launches my private Zoom meeting, and all I have to do is push it, and then it instantly starts the meeting. So freaking neat. I would buy it just for that feature alone. Over here, I have some of my CRMs that I use for clients. This is a LinkedIn program. This is one of my company websites. This is a Google Doc sheet that I made. It will pull that up as well. I use a calculator a lot, so I have that up. I have a certain YouTube channel that I want pulled up. I won't go through all of them. Another one, I cannot for the life of me, and don't judge, remember what the emoji shortcut is on my Mac. And so I use that a lot when doing video titles and texting and anything else on my computer. So if I push that, it launches. And in fact, I'll show that in real time real quick. So if I push that button, it then comes up to my computer. And there it is, which is so neat. I'll change the profile real quick just to show you that as well. So if you go there, as I mentioned, I do a lot of presenting for work. And so I'm in PowerPoint a lot. And so I can open up PowerPoint from here. I can pull up certain apps that I need a lot when I'm on PowerPoint. I can play a slideshow that I have. I can go back, I can go forward, I can pause. I can also mute my microphone while doing a Zoom meeting. Which anyway, it's just really neat. It truly is endless, and you can customize all of it. I can't recommend this product enough. I've had this now, gosh, I've probably had it for at least 2 years. Highly recommend. I use it every single day, and I think you guys will too.